Hello and welcome to today's Where's the Trade? My name is Joshua Bellinger of OptionSizzle.com, and this is our nightly video covering unusual option activity and how to trade it. Today we're going to look at Newell Rubbermaid Incorporated, and the option activity that I picked up today occurred in the September 27 strike, and you can see here that 1,500 contracts traded. So taking a look at this activity, the implied volatility on this moved higher, and the buyers were coming in on these options at 95 cents. The market at the time was 85 by 95, and that difference in spread with them coming on the offer is what I note as aggressive, and that aggressiveness indicates to me that they're just wanting to get in and the price doesn't really matter. They weren't willing to take the mid price. They just wanted the offer to put the position on. Taking a look at the life of these contracts, we have 186 days. What I'm doing with you is I'm walking through a bit of a blueprint, trying to piece the puzzles together. So that's what I do in my head. What I want to do now is take a look here at the overall chart, and I have some lines that I've drawn before the video here to make it pretty simple, but we can see that overall we are in an uptrend. Now if we back this out to a 5-year chart, we want to look at the longer term because these are longer dated contracts being in September. So we see that we're breaking out higher, and in the 5-year chart we're at relative new highs. We want to come back to the 1-year chart, and I've been seeing bullish option activity in this one, and the overall bullish bias that I have in sentiment is about 90% at the point, or at this moment. So I drew a couple Fibonacci levels here, and the first one that's pretty interesting here is going to be the 38% level. This is going to come right here where this trend line, or this area of trend line, is about 24.50. So if there's a little bit of a market pullback, this is where you want to keep in mind of that open interest, keep the tracking of that option activity, because we are kind of at these highs here. We could see a little bit of retracement and then potentially see a bounce where you could get a better setup than those buyers going into the September contracts.